something actually different, just something different. Can I ask you? Because remember, the more the people your ex or your woman meets, the higher the competition. And the more diverse she realizes, varume vakasiyana. Saka iwewe ukanodana nemunhu adane vanhu 5. This is what I usually ask myself. Okay, this girl, I never not 3 with 3 different guys, right? And you like him, saka what? Part 3, papa. Ukaenda uri average, you embarrass yourself. It's like a Shamar. It's like you need to represent yourself now, because remember, you'll be part of the statistics. This is my advice to you guys or girls. You're meeting a guy, you don't know how many partners, because we lie. For every time you hear a girl says, "Ndangoda 3," multiply by 10, where the 5. Agati, "Ndangoda 6," multiply by 10, 60, where the 5. So it's 65, right? Can I read 10 times 6? Even if it's a guy, if you hear me say, "Oh, how many people have you slept with, Leon?" Say, "You got 5." Do the same. Multiply by 10, weigh the 5. It's very likely to 50. It's a fact. There is no woman who says, "I've lost count." Or the people from Europe will tell you, "I've lost count. I slept with so many." She she has lost count, right? Or she go chobo. Did you come? Did you come? You've done it wrong. She should be telling you she's coming. If you are the one asking, "Are you coming?" Shamar, you shouldn't be asking.